First off, thank you so much for your purchase. I'm not going to make any promises to you, but it's probably one of the best dollars that you've ever spent on the internet. But look, before you go and you go check out everything that you just got for $1, look, there's a lot of stuff that I just gave you basically for free. But before you go, welcome to my upsell. So I want to make this really short and sweet. You can see the price below. It's a really low price. You can see the price below. I'm not going to mention it in this video, the actual price, because I will actually be raising the price over time, but it's always going to be comparatively low to what you would end up paying later if you don't take this upsell. So I would recommend that you take this upsell, but look, don't take it at your own risk. So what are you going to get for the low price that you see right below here? Look, here is the members area. This is what you just paid $1 for. There's a whole lot of content inside this area, but not everything is unlocked. There are some things that cost additional money inside here. For example, this course right here costs extra money. There's other stuff in here that costs additional money, all right? So with this upsell, you're going to get everything unlocked. You won't have to pay anything additional. All this stuff that's locked, everything's going to be unlocked. So there's stuff in here that's going to cost you a one-time fee. There are multiple things in here like discounted softwares, discounted partnerships, everything inside here. Some things in here are monthly. Some things are $47 a month, $97 a month, $197 a month. You are going to get, if you take this upsell right now, you're going to get access to everything. Everything that's actually in here that costs additional money, everything is going to be unlocked for you. So I will guarantee you, you are saving a lot of money if you take this upsell right now. Shortly after this video is over, this offer is going to disappear. You can see a countdown timer right up here. So you see the countdown timer right up here. It will expire shortly after this video is over, and this offer will actually disappear. There will be locked content in here, and then if you want to get that locked content, you'll have to go and actually purchase it individually. But if you take this upsell, all you got to do is click the button right down there. It's a super low fee. You can cancel anytime. If you don't like what you bought, you contact me. I'll refund you your money. All right? So I know you're taking a leap of faith to click this button and go ahead and buy without actually logging in and seeing everything that you're going to get access to and understanding what an amazing deal this is if you click the button right down there and actually buy this upsell and unlock everything. So if you go ahead and take a leap of faith and you just go ahead and click the buy button and then you decide, you know what, this is dumb, I don't like this, you just let me know, send me an email, and I'll refund your money within the first 30 days, all right? It's not going to be a no questions asked. It's not going to be a no questions asked refund because I'm going to ask you some questions. I will refund you everything, but I'm going to ask you, you know, hey, what didn't you like about it? Why didn't you think it was worth the low monthly fee? I'll cancel you anyways, but obviously I want to get a little bit of feedback from you as to why you didn't like it, why you didn't actually find it valuable, all right? So that's it. That's the offer. You take this right now. You're going to love it. I promise you, you're going to love it, and you're going to save a whole bunch of money. And everything that's inside here, literally every single offer that's inside here is going to be unlocked. You won't have to buy anything else. All right? This offer unlocks everything, but check out the timer. It's about to disappear. So just click the button below if you want to take it. If not, at the bottom, you can click the thing that says, hey, no, I don't want it. But I guarantee you that once you actually log in, if you decide to buy the amazing offers that are actually inside here, you're going to spend a lot more money than you would be if you just take this offer right now. So time's running out. Time's running out.